Okay, guys, we're going to do a Dine heart picture that looks like this one right here. Okay. And the way we're going to do it is we're going to make ours a little differently. We're going to break up the paper into 4 squares. So here's you're going to get a piece of the square paper. Okay. And then all you're going to do is you're going to make a line down the middle of the paper. Now, there's 2 ways you can do it. You can measure. The paper is 12 inches long. So at 6 plus 6 is 12. So we can just make a little line at 6 at the top, a little line at 6 at the bottom. Make sure your ruler touches the side of the paper. Okay, it's not off or on the paper. Then you just make a line going this way. And then you just make a line going this way at 6 and 6 again. So there it is. Then in each square you're going to make a heart. Now fill up the square with the heart. Don't make little teeny tiny hearts. Make sure they fill up like on the example. Then when you're done, make sure that it's touch. Okay. When you're done, you're going to color them in with marker. Okay. Each heart is going to be a different color. Each background is going to be a different color, and then you're going to do like on the example of this one. You're going to do different designs in the background, and you can even do different things inside the heart. Okay. So that's the first step, and then I'll show you what it looks like and how to color it in. Okay. One more thing. If you don't want to measure it, you can just take your ruler and make it about half, and make your line, and make it about half, and make your line. And it's off a little bit, that's okay, but if it's really off, you've got to fix it. This one would be okay. And then just go in and do your hearts. Okay, and then you color. Okay.